A state and local customer we had was having difficulty managing construction projects. They wanted to be able to store the data on site, own the data, but have outside firms come in and participate in the development and growth of that project. IMAGINiT's solution was to implement a construction management system that allowed external participation while the customer was able to own that data, maintain that data, and keep it not only through design and construction, but also through operations and maintenance. At the end of the project, the customer ended up with a model that they can use as a digital twin for operations and maintenance, for energy management, for renovation. Information from the digital twin not only helps the folks internally but externally, so folks working in the street, surveyors, customer service people going door to door can access this from tablets and from other mobile devices without having to be on site. Overall, this helps make the process more efficient for all parties involved.